Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to rename a folder on DocuSign. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on docusign.com and then get on the top left corner. Now here select agreements, now get on your left side, now select show more, and then you need to scroll down till the last and select the folders option. Now if you select it, you can get your folder right here. Now you need to select its three dot icon, and after that you guys can see this first option which says rename. Now select on it, and now you need to delete the previous one and then enter a new one, and after that select on save. And that's how you guys can successfully rename your folder so that you guys can change the folder's name. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video. Now if you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.